Hello! Welcome to HKK Commodities. I'm Ngân.
I'm Hiền. My name's B.
And today we will talk about the animal protein in Vietnam market during the first half of 2025. Now we will move on to the first commodity.
According to preliminary statistics from the General Department of Vietnam Customs, the total volume of meat and bone meal (MBM) imported into Vietnam in the first half of 2025 reached over 246 tons. Of this, Southern Enterprise accounted for more than 134 tons, while Northern Enterprise imported nearly 111 tons. EDB in region Co Ltd led import volume with over 49 tons. It was followed by Arimax GSC with approximately more than 90 tons and HKK Vietnam Co Ltd with more than 60 tons. The United States was the largest supplier of MBM to Vietnam during its period, providing more than 86 tons at an average price of $590 per ton. Argentina ranked second with over 43 tons at an average price of $457 per ton, while Australia was third, exporting nearly 32 tons at $429 per ton. In addition, several other markets such as Spain, Paraguay, and Germany also make notable contributions to Vietnam's MBM imports in the first half of 2025.
Now we will move on to the next part, poultry meal. According to preliminary data from Vietnam Customs, in the first half of 2025, the total imported volume reached over 142,000 tons and the total value nearly $114.5 million and the average price stayed at $802 per ton. It showed a slight increase when we compare to the same period from the last year. In terms of supply markets, the United States still remains the leading exporter and it supplies nearly 75,200 tons with a total value nearly $63.1 million. Australia stayed at the second place with over 14,800 tons, valued at around $11.3 million. The third place is Brazil with the 13,500 tons and about the total value is occupied nearly $9.9 million. Talking about the top importers in the first half of 2025, in the southern region, DTP Ingredient led the market, importing over 21,800 tons. It was followed by Anh Tuấn Company with nearly 15,100 tons and Golden Nutrition with 13,700 tons. In the northern region, the Asia Europe Agro was the top importer of poultry meal with over 4,400 tons, followed by Ngân Hàng Trading and Long Dũng Veterinary with 1,900 tons and 1,100 tons respectively.
According to preliminary statistics from the General Department of Vietnam Customs, the total volume of feeder meal imports in the first half of 2025 reached over 32,000 tons. Of this, companies in the southern region accounted for 25,000 tons, while companies in the northern region imported 6,800 tons. The total import value is estimated at approximately $19 million, with an average rise of $591 per ton. Leading the import volume during this period was DDP Ingredient Co Ltd with over 9,900 tons. In the second place was HKK Vietnam Co Ltd with an import volume of over 4,700 tons. Ngân Hàng Trading GSC ranked third with 3,000 tons of total import. Argentina emerged in the largest supplier of feeder meal to Vietnam in the first half of 2025, contributing more than 9,200 tons as an average price of $561 per ton. The United States were the second largest market, importing over 7,400 tons of Vietnam total feeder meal imports during this period, with an average price $622 per ton. Australia ranked third, importing more than 4,800 tons to Vietnam of total import, with an average price of $547 per ton. In addition, other markets such as Brazil, Poland, and Spain, and several other markets also make notable contributions to Vietnam feeder meal imports in the first half of the year, with combined volume of approximately 10,600 tons. In the first half of 2025, Vietnam imported substantial volumes of animal protein meals, including 245,000 tons of meat and pork meal (MPM), 142,000 tons of poultry meal, and 32,000 tons of feeder meal. Southern Company dominated imports across all categories. DDP Ingredient Co. Ltd. consistently led in the volume, topping the list for all three product types. The USA was the largest supplier of MPN and poultry meal, while Argentina led in the feeder meal. Average price were approximately $519 per ton for MPM and $802 per ton for poultry meal and $591 per ton for feeder meal. Other key suppliers include Argentina, Australia, Brazil, and several European and South American markets. This is the end of HKK News. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and stay updated for the market news.
Goodbye!